Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video, we're gonna make slime again and again and again. Guys, let's open the container up of glue. More glue. More. Okay, that's enough glue. Okay, how many is the glue here? Let's put more. Finish. This many. Next one is soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's not sticky. I'm not gonna put coloring in it. Put all. That's better. It looks like jelly if you didn't mix the soap. Okay guys, it's gonna turn it into slime, but it's not really slime yet. I need to put all of the activator, I think, but I already put it all. But I still have 2 more activator left. Let's mix it. I think I put too much. Activator. That's right. I put in glue in it. It's enough. Let's mix it one more time. It's revealing. Look at it, guys. It's not kind of sticking to the bowl now. I think I'm gonna color it green. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, guys, I found the green. Oh. Let's get it green. Yeah. I think this is gonna be dark green. Yeah, it's gonna be dark or light. Okay, I think we can use our hands on. Oh yeah, we can use it. Oh, it's just like lime color. I thought it's gonna be dark. I think I put too much activator on it, but it's okay. Comment down below if you like this one or not. And comment down below if what slime I'm gonna do next. Purple slime, pink slime, ugly slime. Yeah, we're gonna make ugly slime in the next video. We're gonna make it color black and brown. So it's gonna be ugly slime or poopy slime. Comment down below, please. Let's try the test of slimes, guys. And you have the container out here. The Goldilocks container is gonna be wait. Yeah, please excuse me. Excuse me. Your feet is covering my feet. That's my brother, by the way. First, ooh, a bubble. 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 First, we're gonna glue Instagram swirl. I mean, slime swirl, not Instagram swirl. Ooh. Here is the Instagram swirl. Okay, now we're gonna do the clicky dance. It's really clicky. Go around. The last one is the one bubble test. What's that? Slime bubble test. Wait, there's a rock here. Bubble. One more bubble test. Okay, we made a little bubble here. I want to make it big. Okay? Oh, it flipped over. One more time. Why I can't do a slime bubble? One more slime bubble test. Did you see that, guys? Mom, I will rip this up. I will rip it. I rip it. Ah, and it's bouncy. Bouncy, guys. Bouncy. Let's see how it clean and dry. It's dropping in one place. Let's see how it cleans. Really fast. Clean. It's just this, and if you pick it up, it is how you see it. Comment down below how to sneak yourself into school. Oh, this is really one more. This is the Instagram. Look guys, guess this. Bye.